So, I think this would protect the children more pag pinasa talaga ni Robin Padilla kasi it will provide as a deterrent na wag gamitin yung mga bata sa krimen. 'Di ba? If you look at it that way, pag nandyan yung law na yan, the adults will, ay, hindi ko isama itong bata kasi makukulong to, kawawa to, may future pa ito. Pero while the Juvenile Justice Act is there, or law, well, sama natin itong mga bata. Ito yung gamitin natin sa mga krimen kasi hindi yan makukulong. So, you know, it exploits the minors. Actually, it doesn't help us, especially sa context natin at sitwasyon natin as a developing country because the infrastructure was not laid out first before the law was passed. Ito kasing juvenile justice, ito yung mga batas na nasa yung mga highly democratic na mga bansa tulad ng United States. Nandyan sila sa punto ng society nila, yung mga first world countries na may infrastructure sila to cater these problems. Diyan na yung mga juvenile rehabilitation centers, in place lahat ng infrastructure nila to accommodate the law. Hindi to sa Pilipinas, pinasa, na hindi, wala eh. Tapos, alam mo yun, we are overpopulated, we have all the problems that any third world or developing country na meron tayo ngayon. We are not ready for that. I'm not saying this is a bad law, ha? But it's not the right time.